Hello YouTube viewers, this is D here and this is my tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about the way Java works. So for a recap, in my previous tutorial we talked a little bit about how Java works, but we really didn't go into detail. We explained the Hello World program, we made an analysis of that, but it wasn't really too much in detail. So in front of me here I have a diagram which is part of it's an excerpt from the Head First Java book by Kathy Sierra and Bert Bates, and it explains how Java works, starting from the source code all the way up until it's run on the virtual machine. So the first step the first thing we need to do is produce our source code. And if you watch my previous tutorial, the source code is the actual Java code itself. Once we create the source code, we need to compile it or translate it, that's step 2, into the output code here, which is the bytecode. The bytecode is the class file. That's the class file. The class file is equivalent to bytecode. Once we have our class file, we can run it on whatever machine that has the virtual machine on it. So if I show you the Hello World program again, right here, and the Hello World program. So if I show you the Hello World program that I had before, you can see that this is our source code. It's a way for the Java virtual machine to know exactly how to execute our program. So after we compiled our Java file here, we ran it through the compiler, which was when we opened up command prompt, and that created a class file here, which is our output. So now that we have our output, we can run it on different machines. So my computer right now has the virtual machine installed on it. It has Java installed. Therefore, it can run class files. Your phone may have the virtual machine run on it. Therefore, it can run class files. And for the PDA and for other machines as well. So basically, whatever machine has the virtual machine on it can run class files, which are produced by you. This section right here, 3 and 4, gives off the platform independent. And that's the goal of Java, to write one application and to interact with multiple devices. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Basically, I just overviewed, how Java works and how source code is produced and goes through the stages to produce bytecode. In my next tutorial, I will explain classes and objects and how they work and the differences between them. So thank you for watching. Please watch my next tutorial. See ya.